Hi, it's Emily from WTI. You'll never guess what I have in my pocket. It's a washing machine. This is the world's smallest and most portable washing machine by Scrubba. This picture is my husband and I using our bidet to wash our clothes when we were in Italy. If only I had known about the Scrubba back then. I will never travel without a Scrubba from now on. It is so awesome to have the convenience, efficiency, and portability of a washing machine with you at all times. This portable washing machine weighs in at just 5.3 ounces and folds up so nice and compact. This will save you space, time, electricity, and water. It's great for hand washing your delicates as well. When it's all dried out, you can even use it as a dry bag because it's watertight. You can wash on the go while you're hiking. I also love that it has the instructions printed right on the bag. We found that this size thoroughly and easily washed the recommended amount of clothes. You can wash a couple pair of socks, couple shirts, couple undergarments super easily. If you're using this while hiking or backpacking, you do want to make sure to empty your soapy water away from your water source or away from fresh water. I think that once you experience how well this Scrubba will wash your clothes on the go, you will never want to be without it either. This is the ultimate adventurer's companion. Packing less and washing your clothes mid-trip allows you to save weight, space, time, energy. Throw in a portable clothesline, and you're like a portable laundromat on the go. I love this thing. It is coming with me on my cruise next month and on every camping and backpacking trip I take for the rest of my life. But that's just my point of view.